A man named Charles Osborne hiccuped non-stop for 68 years, from 1922 to 1990, in the longest hiccuping spree ever recorded. Imagine hiccuping through every meal, conversation, and even while sleeping. Doctors tried everything from sedatives to hormone therapy, but nothing worked. His condition baffled medical experts and became a mind-boggling case study. Despite this relentless hiccuping, Osborne led a relatively normal life, even having children and working on a farm. His story is a testament to human resilience and the bizarre extremes our bodies can endure. Can you imagine a life punctuated by constant hiccups?